As a child, we all had a dream at some point of rolling along the tarmac, on the road for an important job. Helmet on, ready to face the world. Staring in amazement at how one cable can keep everything in the air. Moving things and installing them somewhere else has always fascinated us. And the bigger the machines and installations, the greater the desire to jump in and get the job done successfully. Welcome to the world of lifting. We have managed to turn our fascination for and interest in machines into our passion and expertise. Whether it's a large or small project, from moving equipment to installing a complete production line, we're ready for any job. With years of experience and surrounded by a group of driven and motivated people with all the necessary expertise, we'll take care of your entire project from the first moment to the final touch. Good transportation is one of the priorities of any industrial relocation. Every situation is different, and we can provide solutions for any potentially complex logistics operations and can manage all kinds of exceptional transport. Above all else, transporting machinery must be reliable. We strive to carry out transport operations as efficiently and securely as possible, with the necessary care. Clear communications, proper attention to detail, and follow-ups are thus guaranteed for your project. Our transport and all our machines are top quality, but only with the dedication of our team can they deliver an excellent result. All the necessary preparations are worked out in precise detail in order to ensure that not only your move, but also the disassembly and installation of all your machinery is completed successfully. With our staff, your project is in good hands. This way, maybe we have fulfilled a small part of that childhood dream.